Yo, we're back. Vlog number 2 this week. Christian at Honda Vlogs is making me do so many vlogs this week to try and trigger this algorithm. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it, but this is me attempting 900 million vlogs this week. So let's see how many I can crank out. We need to redo this hood because it is blue, it's in rough shape, and I'm sick of looking at it like this. So we've got some stuff to redo it. I got some other stuff up here. That's what this vlog's gonna be. Just me sick of looking at the bottom of this fucking hood, and I need to redo it. And what my plans are for it. So let's get into it. I'm not going anywhere. Owen's in the garage here with me. He's playing Pokemon Go. We've been on a Pokemon Go like 5-week bender. And yeah. Bad thing about working on car stuff yourself sometimes, I need help getting this hood off. And I'm gonna have to go source the wife or a neighbor to come help me, or like close it and prop it up somehow and then take it off. I don't know. Let's see what I come up with. All right, maybe if I do that and like prop it up and then try to take it off, I don't know. It might work. Let's see if it works. No, it's not going to work. That's why I need to, damn it, 10mm bolt. That's why I need to order PLM quick release hinges. Not sure if they work on the OldSols, but they have EG ones, but I don't know. I gotta go ask someone to help me. And magic! The hood's off. The power of editing. I just Jedi mined it over there. Actually, my father-in-law helped me take it off, and I forgot to hit the film button, so whoops. That's okay though. Got it off. That's good. I need to clean the shit out of that thing first before we spray it with the primer. But it's not that bad. There's just some little surface rust, but no like rust, like rotting rust or anything like that. So that's good. And I don't have any of the OEM decals to worry about, because I don't think this is an OEM hood. Might be an OEM hood, but I don't see any Honda shit on it. Has this TKY 0609A. I don't know what the fuck that means. But whatever. Let's get it cleaned up. Just letting that dry out just a little bit. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit it with some Duplicolor Automotive Sandable Primer. Then I'm going to hit it with the VHT High Temp Engine Enamel. Then we're going to hit it with the Engine Enamel Gloss Clear. Then after all that, in between not in between. In all these areas, I bought some gold reflective heat material. And I wasn't paying attention, and I bought it from China. So it'll be here on the 24th, which is like, I don't know, 2 weeks, a week and a half. I don't know. It'll probably be here in September. Dumb. So it's going to be black, clear-coated gloss with the gold reflective in the middles of there. And I think that's it. But it'll look better than this blue. So that's what we're going for here. And let's get started on it. That didn't last very long. I mean, like, extremely fast. Duplicolor. Make those last longer? Fucking hardly got anything on there. That's alright, though. I'm not worried about the inside of my hood. Oh, we're gonna let this dry a little bit. Give it a quick little buff, and it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Shoot. If anything, if I don't like how this turns out, I'll actually shoot it with top coat. But I think this is going to be more than fine. So I'm not worried about it. Okay, let's continue. All right, so I literally have my GoPro strapped to the rattle can. I'm going to try and film this. See if this turns out cool. I have no idea, though. I've never done it. It's 2020, though. Anything's possible. Craziness, the Duplicolor primer hardly covered the hood at all. I mean, made it like 75%. The VHT engine enamel like completely covered the whole underside of the hood. I mean, come on, Duplicolor. Your can ran out. Good job, VHT. You covered the whole hood. So now I gotta gloss this. One coat of clear on, and it already looks like a million times better. Million times better than the Captiva blue. And on the inside, remember, we're going to do the gold reflective material, heat absorbing shield stuff. So I'm not too worried about the insides of here, because they're going to get covered anyway. But, shit. That looks way better. wrap this up. This looks so much better. Like, you guys remember, this was blue. This was crappy, faded Captiva blue that somebody did a really bad job on. And I spent $20 and made it black. And it's going to look 10 times better. So, I'm just going to let this dry. The heat shield material is coming from China. My bad on that one. Just got to wait on that. But I'm glad that is not blue anymore and doesn't look garbage. So great success there. We'll see how it kind of, I guess, dries overnight. We might hit it with one more coat of the gloss enamel, but I don't think it needs it, honestly. And then in another vlog down the road, we'll put the heat shield material on it, and maybe it'll be the look I want, maybe it won't be, and I'll paint it just like the rest of my car when we do that here in a month or so. But I don't know, for 20 bucks, it's not too shabby. All right, guys, this is vlog number 2 for the week, so I don't know. I do have another vlog. I do have one more vlog, I think, this week. This weekend, I'm heading down to my buddy Chris's house to work on his Del Sol, about an hour from me. So I think Saturday, I'm going to film another vlog. I'm going to try to hit my goal of 3 by Sunday. So we're on track. If I think of anything before then, though, I'll get that in a vlog too. But for sure, I'm going to do 3, Christian. So I think I'm 2 up on you right now, if I finish this one before you get one out. So get on it, dude. All right. Peace, everyone.